First, take a full inventory of all your debts. List each creditor, balance, minimum payment, and interest rate. This complete picture is your strategic map for repayment. With your list complete, choose a payoff strategy. The debt avalanche method targets high-interest debt first, while the snowball method focuses on small balances for quick wins. Select the approach that best motivates you. Scrutinize your budget to find extra cash for debt payments. Cut back on non-essentials like dining out and redirect those savings. Simultaneously, explore a side hustle to boost your income and accelerate your timeline. Contact your creditors to negotiate for lower interest rates, especially if you have a good payment history. A reduced rate means more of your payment goes toward the principal balance, helping you save money. As you pay down debt, avoid accumulating new charges. Change the habits that led to debt initially. If credit cards are an issue, use cash or a debit card for daily spending instead. Build a small emergency fund of $500 to $1,000 to cover unexpected expenses. This prevents you from relying on credit for emergencies and breaks the cycle of using debt as a safety net. Remember, debt reduction is a marathon. Celebrate small milestones to stay motivated. The ultimate goal is to build financial habits that keep you debt-free for the long term. A checking account is your hub for daily transactions like bills and debit purchases. Manage it carefully by setting up low balance alerts to avoid costly overdraft fees. A savings account is for your financial cushion, earning modest interest. Automate a small transfer from each paycheck to build savings effortlessly, treating it as a non-negotiable bill. Modern banking tools are crucial for management. Use mobile banking for deposits and bill pay. Enable security features like two-factor authentication and be vigilant against phishing scams. Your credit score is a financial report card used by lenders. A higher score secures better loan rates and can impact renting or employment opportunities. Your credit report details your history. Check it annually for free at annualcreditreport.com to dispute errors and guard against identity theft. Practice responsible credit use by paying all bills on time. Keep your credit utilization below 30% and only apply for new credit when necessary to build a strong history. An emergency fund is your financial safety net. Start with a $1,000 goal, then build to 3 to 6 months of expenses for protection against major life events. Save for short-term goals like vacations or a new car with separate sinking funds. Break each goal into monthly savings targets to avoid using credit or your emergency fund. To fund these savings, pay yourself first. Automate transfers as soon as you get paid. Consistency with small amounts builds powerful financial discipline over time. Investing begins with stocks and bonds. Stocks offer growth with higher risk, while bonds provide steadier income. A mix of both is key for a balanced portfolio. Mutual funds and ETFs offer instant diversification by holding many securities. They are practical tools for building a solid investment foundation without picking individual stocks. For long-term goals, use tax-advantaged accounts like a 401k or IRA. These allow your money to grow with significant tax benefits, compounding over decades. A 401k is powerful, especially with an employer match. Contribute enough to get the full match, it's free money. Be mindful of contribution limits and early withdrawal penalties. An IRA offers another tax-advantaged path. Choose a traditional IRA for potential tax deductions now or a Roth IRA for tax-free withdrawals in retirement, depending on your income. Social Security provides a foundation of retirement income based on your lifetime earnings. You can check your estimated benefits online and plan for it to supplement your savings. Proactive tax planning minimizes your lifetime tax burden. Strategically use retirement accounts and understand capital gains. Adjust your W-4 withholdings to avoid large refunds or bills. Health insurance protects you from catastrophic medical debt. Understand your plan's premium, deductible, and network. Adequate coverage is a critical part of your financial safety net. Auto insurance is legally required. Understand your coverage levels. State minimums are often too low. Increase liability limits and shop around periodically for the best rates. Home or renter's insurance protects your dwelling and belongings. Ensure you have adequate liability coverage. For life insurance, term life is often the most affordable option. Estate planning dictates what happens to your assets. At minimum, create a will and powers of attorney. Regularly review the beneficiaries on your retirement accounts and insurance. Integrate daily habits with long-term goals. Automate savings for retirement and other goals right after payday. Treat these contributions as essential, non-negotiable expenses. Conduct an annual financial review. Reassess your budget, rebalance investments, and update estate documents. This ensures your daily discipline fuels long-term security. Create a one-page financial dashboard listing your net worth, key accounts, and document locations. Review it quarterly to maintain a holistic view of your financial life.